everybody, welcome back to Craftlicious Check. Today I'll be making scrambled eggs. So here's all what you need. Abracadabra chew. I got everything. I'm a real magician. I got everything. I'm a real magician. So, okay, here's what you need to do. The many eggs you want, this time I'm making first we crack the eggs. So it's pepper, butter, milk. And I just cracked an egg before I told you everything. So here's one I cracked and inside was 2 yolks. This one's gonna have 2 yolks again. See? 2 yolks again. Magic. Okay, so I just got a shell in this. I'm gonna use the fork. And then get the shell. Got the shell. Okay, next step. You need to add a little bit of salt, a shake of pepper, and you need to add some milk. Ugh. Yay, that's heavy. This body. That should be enough. Scramble this. Break the yolks. You have to break all the yolks. Make sure you get all the yolks. And make sure it's nice and white and yellow. Like that. But I'm not going to it. Just show you how it is. Be careful with that. A kid at 6 years old making scrambled eggs by myself without any help. Cause I made this so many times by myself without any help. Now next step, you need to let that heat up a little bit, but now it's over heat up. So the next step is that you put on a butter knife, then you spread the butter onto the bread, on the pan. And it already started melting, so when it starts melting, you make sure to rub the whole pan with liquid butter. Because you don't want the stuff sticking to the pan. There we go. Okay, after that step, we have to wait. And we have to wait for it to melt. If there's any butter on the butter knife, you lick it. I'm just kidding. I'm just going to do that because I didn't know. So, actually, the real next step is that you take little by little and put it in. Little by little. Little by little. Little and there. Let it drop, and there. And then you put this stuff into the sink. That's dangerous. And you just put that in the sink, and then next step you need a plastic spatula. I'm going to use plastic spatula because if you use a metal one or wooden, there will be scratches on the pan. So when it starts to bubble, you spray. Ooh, this is going to be tasty. Can't wait to eat. Yummy, yum. Now this one's cooked. For now we can scramble the rest. Be careful not to make a mess. This is a small pan. because I just made one. It's going to be scrambled eggs. I'm going to make the scrambled eggs finish with my magic again. Abracadabra, choo! Whoa, did you see that? I'm seriously magician. So now I've got 2 plates. I'm going to serve them. Make sure you put enough for each different customers. That should be the full one. Okay, have the next plate. So I usually put ketchup on my scrambled eggs, so here am I going to put ketchup. Here we go. 2 smiley faces. Now I'm going to give one to my grandma. So, how was your scrambled eggs?
And scrambled eggs are good, and you order something.
Good. Okay, so the next step is that I usually mix. Mix the smiley face. Smiley face is broken. That's why I got a bowl plate. But it's still not working. That's why you need to use a regular bowl. Make sure you get everything now. Time to too hot, I think. Don't forget to say the eating dua before you alam mo ba na female na lab na too hot. Wanna try some? Wasn't that